I am Shivani from AID1 Team 2. Now I am going to explain my project, which is Fashion Recommender. My project recommends new fashion and new designs so the user can easily select clothes which suits him, mainly the people who prepare their costumes from the scratch. The project is helpful for them so they can choose designs, colors, combinations from this website, and they can create their own dresses using this website. And this is my code. And here we use HTML, CSS from for front end, and we use backend code. This is my backend code. Here we use Flask for the connecting front end and back end, and we use request to send email requests, and we use SMTP library, which is simple mail transfer protocol. This library to send messages, and we use datetime library to to fix that, to store the date and time where the user send message to us. The time has to be stored in some file, no? So we use date time library to store the time. And this is my app.py code. Now I am running my code. This is my project homepage. And first we have the user has to log in first. If the user doesn't have any account in our website, so then he has to sign up first. After sign up, he can open use our website. Also, we added credentials to these login and sign up pages. If the user has entered any wrong password, it shows that the password is wrong. See, there is a pop-up message like the password was wrong. If the user has entered the correct password, then only the website they can he can use the website. Here it came the pop-up message like login successful. This is our recommendation page. In this, we have given two options like search bar and choose a file option. We can search whatever the type of clothes we needed, or we can also upload any photo of the cloth. Then it will recommend some different recommendations. It will give. We can choose those, and also we can create our costumes using those combinations. It will helpful for that. Now I am searching for chudidars. When I click get recommendations button, it will give some recommendations like this. These are all the type of recommendations. We can choose this, or we can choose these color combinations to make our costumes. And if we really like some of the pictures, we can add to these pictures to our wish list page. Like there is a heart button in the side of the every picture. If we click that, it will give a pop-up message like added to wish list. It means that picture will be stored in the wish list page. And this is the wish list page. So here is the picture which we stored in this wish list page. If we want to remove these from the wishlist page, we can remove by this button remove from wishlist. It will remove from the wishlist page. And if the it is our about page, and it has the complete data about what is our project and how it will work. And this is all about our project about. And this is our contact page. Here we used data time library, SMTP library, all this to store the details which is which is sent by the user. So normally if the project, if they have any complaints or issues or anything the user wants to tell us, they can use this contact page and contact us. And here the user has to fill some details. And what is the message the user who have to say to us, he can type that message like the recommendations are good. And if we send this message, there is a pop-up message called message sent successfully. If these messages will be stored in this JSON file. See, this is the message which I have sent, and the timestamp and the all the details will be stored in this JSON file. We have created this JSON file to store the user's data, and we have given all the credentials to the login and sign up pages. And for front end, we use HTML and CSS and Flask to connect in the front end and back end. And for back end, we use machine learning. Using this website, the user can choose their outfits, and if he wants, he can also create their outfits using this. And we also want to include some of the features in this project, like the gender, like thus male for male separate and the female separate, and the kids section also separate. If we click the option, then it will only show the male clothes, and if we click the female option, it has to show the female clothes. And if we select the kids section, it has to show the kids clothes, like that. And we want to add our project, we want to add MongoDB, and the details which are given by the user has to store in the MongoDB. So we want to add MongoDB to our project. And some other features I want to add in this project, like very adaptive. And the future enhancements, these are the future enhancements. Thank you.